Hey everyone, this is Dan with week 6 of IPD. I'm just going to go over the current state of SnowPush, the beta version of the application. Currently, what you're looking at is the main screen of the application. When you open up the application, you'll be presented with this screen. Um, we'll see today's date, we'll see weather information. This is hourly, this is the 10-day forecast. You'll be able to change the zip to clients and see reports over here. So first off, let's talk about this page. Right now, we can choose a zip code. The weather information will update. We'll see that currently it's 70 and it is raining, and we can actually see the next 24 hours of what's going to be happening for the day. We can also see the 10-day weekly forecast here. So that's the weather. You can go ahead and just change it to another zip code just to watch these change one more time. And it's a little bit colder in Cincinnati. So next button we'll talk about is clients. When we click on clients, we'll see the clients. These are the customers basically, and here we can search if we just want to see another, or we want to see just the ones with D's. Could do that. You'll also see that this customer here, another company, just salts and just plows, whereas the company called Dan, what does all, remove, salt, shovel, and plow. We can go in here, we can see the information for this person. We can see the address, we can see the phone number, we can see the email, we can see which services, how much they've spent with us so far. We can see their trip cost. This is how much it costs us to go out. This is how much it is hourly, and this is how much it is if we just have a seasonal contract. Sorry for the reflector. This is the reflector image that I'm using for to send this up. So this is just a watermark of the application. There's two icons on the bottom. We've got a little airplane and report/tickets. First off, if I go to the airplane here, we can send a quick note to this customer, that we're maybe running behind or ahead of schedule, will be there in 10 minutes. Upon clicking one of those, it presents an email, creates an email to that user. It says, hello, we're ahead of schedule, we'll be there in 10 minutes. And this will be the same if I click on another one. Thank you, have a great day. Oops, spelled great wrong. That's okay. And we can also create our own that just says, hello, beta app. And if we click this, we'll say hello, beta app. So that's just a quick tool to send your customers a quick message, and those you can have predetermined, pre-selected. You can add as many as you'd like in there. All right, and then we can go into the tickets. This is where we can see current tickets that are open, paid tickets, and then we can create a new one. Here's a ticket indicating on 10/11/2014 that it's paid. We can go here and see this orange indicating that it's not paid. If I go in here, I can see that I need to pay this invoice, or this invoice still needs to be paid. I can click save, say they paid it. And we will now see two tickets in the paid section. Can also go ahead and create another ticket. Create an image. We'll say this was the before image, and this is the after image. And we'll say snowfall was 50 inches. It was a rough day. We were out there for 50 hours, and we're only going to charge them $200. We're going to say it's paid, and if I click send invoice, when I hit save, it will take this information in this ticket and actually email this information to the customer. Thank you for your business. This is the information that we put in here. Here's the total billed, paid yes. here are the images, and we can send that email to the customer. And if I click on paid tickets, we'll now see 3 tickets in here. And we'll see the total has been updated as well to 650. If I go all the way out, we can go look at the reports, view all the tickets. We can see that the Dan user has 3 tickets that they've used us. Let's go ahead and create another one for this other company real quick, just so I can show what happens when a ticket is not paid. Oops, okay, that's fine. Let's just choose this, that's fine. I'm just choosing random images. Sure, it's like a parking garage or something. Hours, say contract. We're going to say this one is just not paid yet. Total does not update, and when we go to reports, we'll see that this other company has an orange, and an orange indicating not paid. If I go back here and I can click on open tickets, you'll see that this is orange for the other company. Look at paid tickets, green for paid. So we just know that we need to go in here and say, hey, you need to pay your ticket. We hit paid, $275 now. We can go on the reports and view all paid tickets. It's now green, and it should be removed off of the view open tickets because it's no longer an open ticket. In a nutshell, that's the application, fully functional. The only pieces still left to build, which will be ready for release, is taking all of this information that is currently stored, company information, the ticket information, and have that pushed to iCloud as a backup, and so the user can sync across multiple iOS devices. If they're using an iPad or a different phone, the ability to sync that information across in case they change phones or something like that will benefit the user. And then the other piece is taking the clients. Once a ticket is created, this would actually go into the calendar piece of the app. What we'll do is create a calendar, and we'll call it SnowPush, and the information will be passed to there so the user can see what's on their schedule for the day. Other than that, it's the app in a nutshell again, and look forward to some testing this week and seeing what other fun I have aside from those 2 features still left to build. That's it. Talk to you later. Bye.